Step 1. Create a page. Click Create and choose Custom Size from the menu on the left. Change the units to millimetres and enter your dimensions in the width and height fields. In this example, the width is 148mm and the height is 210mm. Add bleed and safe zone. Start by clicking File, Settings, then enable Show Rulers and Guides. Next, go back to File, Settings, and select Add Guides. Choose Custom, then set the gaps, rows, and columns to 0. In both margin boxes, enter 3mm, then click Add Guides. To display the bleed area, go to File, Settings, Show Print Bleed. We now have a safe zone of 3mm and a bleed of 3mm added to the page. Step 2. White ink elements. If your design will be printed in white ink only, you'll just need one page. As you design, make sure any backgrounds or graphics that touch the edge extend fully into the bleed area. Once you've finished designing, we just need to change all colour to magenta. To do this, click on the graphic elements and click the colour spot in the menu above. Under the document colours, click the plus sign to add a new colour and type FF00FF for a vivid magenta and click Change All. Then select the text boxes and do the same. Step 3. CMYK and white ink. We can also print full CMYK colour alongside white ink. To make colours appear correctly on clear or coloured materials, a layer of white ink is printed underneath the colour artwork. Make a duplicate of your white page and simply change the colours to what you want on the first page. Here, we'll remove the text from page 1 as we want this area to remain white. You must name the first page Artwork and the second page White. Step 4. Double-sided. If you'd like printing on both sides, simply repeat the same process for the reverse side artwork. Your pages should be named in this exact order. Page 1, Front CMYK. Page 2, Front White. Page 3, Rear CMYK. Page 4, Rear White. Using this naming structure ensures everything prints in the correct order. Step 5. Save your artwork. To save your artwork, simply click on File, Download, and change the file type to PDF print. Tick the box for crop marks and bleed, and from the colour profile select CMYK, Best for Professional Printing, and hit Download. And that's it, you're all good to go. Head over to printed.com/support for further help and support.